It's Tuesday and I'm here with the very first episode of Tips Tuesday. And today I'm going to share top 5 fonts that I guess every sports poster designer should have in their collection. And I'm going to make this video under 2 minutes, so without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So at number 5 we have a font from sans serif font family and it's Kano. It is a very modern looking geometric typeface and you can download it from flgraphic.gumroad.com. So next at number 4, again a font from sans serif font family and it's Anton. It's a paid font but you can download 4 different typefaces for free and you can get it from fontfabric.com. And at number 3, again it's from sans serif font family and one of my favorite, Morganite. It is a very versatile font. It comes up with 18 different typefaces and you can get it from befonts.com. And at number 2, it's Nexa, another font from sans serif font family, and again it's a very versatile font. It comes up with 42 different typefaces and you can download it from thefont.com. And at number 1, one of my favorite, I use this font a lot and it's Anton, and you can get this font from googlefonts.com. So these are my top 5 fonts that I feel like every sports poster designer should have in their collection. So if you haven't downloaded this font yet, then please check on the description list below. So I'll see you on next Tuesday with a short video like this, and don't forget to check out my regular tutorial videos on Thursday. So till then, you guys take care, be safe and be creative. Bye bye.